That'd be better. Oh, it feels mighty good to once again be unfurled and flying high over pirate waters. Shiver me timbers, what has we here? Annual meeting of the Brethren Court? Or does I need to call the zoo and inform them that all the party animals have escaped? Whatever be the case, if adventure ye be one, then I say drop anchor, mateys, 'cause you've charted a course to the right place. But where be my manners? Guess I left them in me skin. Anywho, allow me to introduce myself. The name be Jolly Roger, but I insist you call me J.R. Question for ye all. If you be ready for pirate fun and adventure, let me hear you shout, aye, aye!
Aye, aye! Welcome back, you old funny bones!
Oh, I've missed your sweet bony face and that charming toothy grin of yours.
Oh, you be too kind. Why, if I had any skin at all, I'd be a bludgeon.
So tell me, are you and the rest of Minnie and Mickey's pirate crew ready for the festivities?
And what say all you scallywags who hear me ready to party like a pirate? Then what you be waiting for? Stop your lollygagging and commence with the merrymaking! And welcome the most adventurous swashbucklers ever to sail the seven seas!
Landlubbers, buccaneers, and pirates of all ages! It's time to welcome the most fun bunch of pirates that I know! Please welcome Minnie and Mickey's Pirate Crew! Now we have that dazzling dancer, Pirate Daisy!
Hello, everyone! I've set a course for fun. How about you?
Let your chins fill the sails. What's the poetry? It's Pirate Goofy!
Weigh the anchor, hoist the colors, swab the poop deck, you swabs! Oh, and don't forget the hell fun, too!
Look lively and scallywags, it's time to rattle the rigging. Raise your voices for the leader of our pirate crew. Please welcome Captains Mickey and Minnie.
It's a pirate's life for me.
Ahoy, mateys! Oh, are you ready for pirate fun and adventure? Oh, me too!
Well then, with the crew all accounted for, I say, away, away, away we go!
Away, 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 and live the life we love. Away, 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 adventures waiting for you. Come on, you brave buccaneers, come live the life the pirates life. Come on, come on, come on, come on, and live the life we love. With the sun in each hand, we're actually going down. Away, 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 come live the life we love.
There's nothing more than we pirates enjoy than a sea shanty. So everybody, stand up to your feet and sing along with us.
Away, 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 come live the life we love. Away, 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 adventures waiting for you. Come on, you brave and buccaneers, come live the life the pirates life. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come live the life we love. With the
With your permissions, captains, I say that Minnie and Mickey's Pirate Academy begin.
Pirates young and old, for the captains to welcome you part of the pirate crew, you first have to be able to go through the Pirate Academy.
Gorge, what does that mean?
It means they need to do exactly as we do.
Oh, that's easy.
If you be ready for lesson number 1, jump up! Great job! Here be lesson number 1.
Lesson number 1.
If ever a captain gives you an order,
Or asks you a question.
loud and proud, say aye, aye, captain. Try it!
All together once again. If ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud say, aye, aye, captain.
Louder!
Well done, good for you. On to lesson number 2.
Lesson number 2.
We pirates be known as an adventurous lot.
Aye, that be true.
But we're also known for celebrating. So, all true pirates need to know how to dance a pirate jig.
Do exactly as we do. Here we go!
Just like true pirates.
So, if asked, can you dance a pirate jig? Commence to dancing and make it big. Go!
Your pirate town is clear to see. Onward now to lesson number 3.
Lesson number 3.
Lesson number 3.
Though us pirates do love a good celebration, we also need to appear fierce. Making a fierce pirate pose.
All right, do it with us. Reach down and grab your imaginary pirate sword and draw it up to the sky. Now swing it to the right
And left.
and loudly shout, "Ah!"
Wow, that is fierce.
So with that, can you be pirate fierce? Going through, you know what to do.
Since it sounds like you want more, on to lesson number 4.
Lesson number 4.
What does a pirate love more than anything?
The sea.
The wind in their sails.
Rum.
A good celebration.
Adventure.
Aye, those are all well and good, but the answer is treasure!
I treasure. We love the way it looks. We love the way it feels. We love to shake our booty. So, let's ask, what does a pirate love the most? We all shout treasure. Shake your booty from coast to coast.
Great job!
Now the final review.
Master this, and you'll be part of our pirate crew.
Ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud say, aye, aye, captain. Aye, aye, captain.
Can you dance a pirate jig? Do it now and make it big.
All be pirate fish, show crew. You know what to do.
Now what does a pirate love the most?
So take your booty from coast to coast.
Again, again.
Congratulations!
Wow, I now declare all of you official members of Minnie
And Mickey's
Pirate Crew!
Congratulations!
Terrific job, everybody.
Boy, that was great. Hey, crew, looky Hey there! We've got company!
Mr. Smee?
Do pardon my interruption of your festivities, but you'll be needing to make way immediately, or sooner.
But why?
So we don't get hit by that cannonball. Look out! Incoming!
Direct hit, Captain.
Oh no, it's right, Griffy! Is that who I think it is?
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine! Mr. Smee, status report.
Aye, Captain. The ship is now yours to do with as ye please. Enjoy.
Oh, I shall.
But this is our ship.
Well, I say we win it back with a captain's challenge.
Toss that pirate code. Oh, very well. The terms. If I win, you walk the plank. Oh, no.
Agreed.
And in the unlikely event that your crew succeeds...
We get the ship back. Do we have an agreement?
Agreed.
Then with that, let the captain's challenge officially begin.
Remember, pirates, you're now part of Captain Minnie and Mickey's pirate crew, so whatever the test, say it loud and proud.
You can do it, crew. I know you can.
Do exactly as we do.
Mr. Smee, test this so-called pirate crew.
Aye, Captain Hook. Look lively, you swabs. Now, the first thing any real pirate knows is that when a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, what do you say?
What?
Correct.
Impossible! Lucky guess. Smee, give them the next one. And make this one especially rough. Got it?
Aye, aye, Captain. Oh, I just gave the answer to the last question.
Smee!
Yes, sir, Captain, sir. Here's the next test. Oh, and it's a good one. All true pirates enjoy a good celebration.
Aye!
If you are real pirates, let the captain see a true pirate jig.
Show 'em, crew, and make it big! That's the way! You're doing great! No! It can't be! Smee! Tell me I'm seeing things!
If you saw some very impressive footwork, Captain, then we're both seeing things.
Time to end this! A real pirate must be fierce!
You heard him. He wants to know, can you be pirate fierce?
Show 'em, crew, you know what to do.
Yo ho, a pirate life.
Oh, they scared the wits out of me.
No!
Yes. That was the right answer, Captain.
So help me, Smee! I've got it! Prepare for your date with the plank! Tell me, what do true pirates love the most? Treasure!
So take your booty from coast to coast.
Now! Stop that! Chief, would you? Stop it! This can't be happening!
Oh, yes, it can.
And it just did! Smee! Get me out of here!
Come on, Captain, back to Neverland. Now, which direction is it from here?
Goodbye, Captain Hook.
With the codfish out of the way and this here ship back in your control, I'll say it's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew.
Three cheers for our new crew. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, you guys are gonna be the best crew ever!
Greetings! Congratulations, everyone! Not too bad at all. What do you think, Jaya?
Well, nothing more for me to say, so away, away, away I go!
Our pirate crew must say farewell for now. And congratulations on becoming members of Minnie and Mickey's pirate crew.
See you pirates later. Have fun, me hearties.
Welcome to the crew, everyone. Come on, Donald. What a great new crew. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.
Well, crew, that was a great first adventure. I can't wait for our next one.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you on our next adventure.
Congratulations, pirate crew! If you had fun, let me hear say yo-ho! Ah, now that we're all members of Mickey's pirate crew, we're gonna celebrate lesson number 4 to shake, shake, shake our booty with a great dance party. So everybody, stand up on your feet. Get ready to shake those peg legs. It's time to party. Put those hands together.